Hello, my beautiful friends. This is Emma. I'm really happy to see you back here on my YouTube channel. I'm also really happy to be trading on Pocket Option and showing you exactly how I do this. So for today's session, I decided to go all in. I'm going to use a bunch of oscillators and indicators, my favorite superheroes, and we are going to find out how much I can grow my account in today's session. So let's get it started because I cannot wait. Beautiful. I'm going to place $50.04 as my first bid. And when I'm looking at this, I expect the current downtrend to continue. The fractal and vortex indicators both confirm the bearish sentiment. So, guys, what we gotta do? Yes, we gotta sell. Let's go for a put option. It's a short one for sure. Darlings, if you want to learn profitable strategies and truly improve your trading skills, I welcome you on my Telegram channel. The link is right below this video, and that is the one place where I share everything I know and learn about trading with you. So definitely check that out. All right, here we go. $96.77. Great first result. And double the beat. $96.77 for the next one. I see there is a strong selling pressure on the New Zealand dollar. And the fractal level has been broken to the downside. Vortex is supporting the short. So it's definitely one more time a short. We gotta sell. So let's sell. I recently saw this no makeup challenge on TikTok. So today I was kind of having this inner debate whether to do today's session without any makeup, but I've decided that I'm not ready yet. How funny is that? I am a very confident human being, but $185. The profits I make is something I'm always confident in because it all comes down to using the strategies. Okay, $185 is my next bid. And I can see that the price, you see it, guys? I know you see it too. The price has broken and consolidated in the lower, and when I say lower, I mean bearish zone of the Keltner channel. The fractal level was also broken, and the oscillator gives us a strong short signal. So we are gonna go down. It's a put option, darlings. It's a put option, and there is no other option in here. But yeah, please let me know in the comments if you would love me to do the no makeup challenge, because if you really want that, I'm gonna consider. I know it's unusual for me because when I am in front of the camera, $356.74. Lovely result. When I'm in front of the camera with no makeup, I feel naked. Believe it or not. See what's happening in this market. And we're gonna need something else here. I think that would be a great visual reference for me and for you. So let's use it. All right. $684 is my next bid. And the reason why I drew the channel, guys, is to clearly show you and myself what is happening right now. You see, there was a short-term bounce, but the price resumes moving downward once again. And the lower boundary is broken. And we are expecting a fractal break now. So time to sell, time to wait for that drop to happen. I love watching the candles grow bigger and bigger. Brings me so much joy. Yes, $1,315. How fascinating is that? Okay, time to go for the next beat. As you can see, I placed 1,315 bucks. And, well, I think I might actually re-enter on the same pair. Because what I'm seeing here, I quite like. Yeah, let's stay on this one. Now I'm going to re-enter on the upside. You see a pattern, you see a hammer candlestick pattern formed. It's a buyback of the decline, and I am expecting at least a technical rebound. So it's a great time to go up. And that's what we are doing. Call option. Yes, just enough time to get that result I was looking for. 2,524 bucks. Shall I remind you, I placed $50 as my first bid, and look where it got me. Darlings, if educational approach to strategy sounds great for you, I have some amazing news. In my Telegram channel, the link to which you will find below this video, I will help you improve your trading skills, consistently build stable results, and explore new trading opportunities. With my help and support, you can actually get all of that. And the greatest thing is, it's all in one place. The link is right below. Make sure to check it out. And I cannot wait to see you there, but also see you here on my YouTube channel very, very soon.